we have enough?
I got the Mini here at church. Looks like a church. We got it on this dyno. So this thing here bolts up to the rear wheels. And when they spin, this thing measures the amount of power that it produces. I think you tap it 3 times. Now hold it down. Now he's basically just playing Tetris in there. So what are you doing on that thing?
Tuning the fuel right now.
Okay. So they have these fans here to keep it cool. When we're sitting here at idle, there's not much air that comes through, so our cooling gets taxed. It's warming up.
And it could be worse. It's definitely not. It's you know, if you measure the temperature between here, where it's coming in, and here, it is cooling it down. It's just still pretty warm though.
Yeah, that's killing our horsepower, I bet.
Yeah, every 10 degrees with the 1 to 2%. So
How much?
1 to 2% power.
2%?
Every 10 degrees, yeah. So if we get the temperature, because we're right now the outside temperature is 65 degrees, and we're at 150 on the inlet.
Yeah.
Right now, so I mean, you're never gonna. The best you can hope is 25 to 30 degrees above ambient.
Okay.
Everything's working great, unless you're running like a chiller system. But so we're 150. Ideally, we'd be at 100. So we're giving up another 30, 40 horsepower just on temperature there.
Hopefully, it's freaking cold when we race.
Yeah. If you had time to do it, I would think about getting the entire exhaust system coated. Yeah. It'll drop the external temperature of the exhaust to 400 degrees.
So we're trying to get it at least to 500 just to make me feel better. And it gives us a little more horsepower than anyone should ever have in a car like this.
Yeah.
But any second, he's going to make more noise than a jumbo jet taking off. Jesus. So far, it's the third pass was making what? 460. We're hoping, and this is pump gas, so we really, I don't know how much more we can get out of it with pump gas, but more.
Right now, at 3 degrees time, we'll probably pick up 30 horsepower.
Okay. Wow.
All right. This blower is good to about 550 to 580 horsepower per wheel.
That's a lot of power.
Yeah, we're looking at right now we're over 500 at the crank, and everything optimized we do somewhere between 560 and 580 at the different set.
That's a big number, especially considering the weight is it's really a light car. So that's it. Wow. And then we do the race fuel, and then this thing is going to be whooping some supercars.